Today, we are going to share how to use coconut oil for hair growth and thickness. Later, in this segment, we will also explain why coconut oil is the best home remedy for fastest hair growth. So make sure to pay close attention to every second of this segment, as we are going to start. For this home remedy, you will need 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Now, what you have to do is take 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in your palm and massage it into your scalp. For best results, you have to repeat this method at least twice a week. Now, the question is, why coconut oil is the best home remedy for fastest hair growth? Here's the answer to the question. Coconut oil is often said to be the best oil to use on your hair to reduce protein loss and keep it looking healthy. Given the current popularity of coconut oil, this would be easy to dismiss as a trend. However, there is some evidence behind this claim. One study examined the effects of applying coconut, sunflower, or mineral oil to hair before or after washing. To see which oil was best for protecting hair health, the researchers measured the amount of protein the hair lost after each of these treatments. They found that coconut oil was better at preventing protein loss than both the mineral and sunflower oils when applied either before or after the hair was washed. In fact, coconut oil came out on top in all of their studies, and reduced protein loss in hair that was undamaged, bleached, chemically treated and UV exposed. On the other hand, both the mineral and sunflower oils did not have this effect and weren't found to be effective at reducing protein loss from hair. In our upcoming video, we will disclose which oil is best for hair growth and thickness at home. So stay tuned. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.